So first step to speed up the computer is to go to the properties of your PC, then click on advanced system settings, then click on advanced performance settings. Over there you will find this visual effects. By default first option is selected, in which there are a lot of animations are enabled, but we don't need that many animations. And to speed up the performance of the Windows 10, you can set it to the custom or adjust for the best performance. The last couple of options you can select. Next is you can disable the startups programs. So for that you have to go to the task manager by pressing Control Shift Escape, and then you can disable any of the programs that you do not need when you start the system. Next thing that you can do to speed up your Windows 10 system is to disable the services and uninstall the programs that you do not need. So to disable the services, you have to go to the control panel and click on administrative tools and then click on services. After that, this window will open up, and in that window you can see what all services are running, and if you can disable the services that you think that you may not need. For example, I'm disabling this chunking service, or is already disabled actually, but if you think that it is running but you do not want, you can go to the properties and then disable it. Starter type disabled. And next one is you can uninstall the programs from your system that you do not need. So in the control panel you will get that option. So here I don't need this Canon camera program, so I'm just gonna uninstall it. So right click on the program and then click on uninstall or change, and that will uninstall that particular program. Next is going to the properties of your drives and then doing the disk cleanup. With disk cleanup, what happens is it deletes all the unnecessary files from that particular drive. You can also select or choose which files you want to delete, and then finally you can click on OK. It will start deleting all the files that are not required. Next thing is you can delete temporary files from your system. For that, go to the Windows system, and then over there you will find the run program. Just click on that, then type temp and %temp after that. So once you click on type on that, it will open this folder. You can select all the files and then do Control Shift delete. It will delete all the files. Don't do delete, because when you press delete it will go to the recycle bin. So if you want to permanently delete files, press Control Shift delete. And the same way you can do it for the %temp as well. %temp. So it will open up this folder. You have to select all files and then do Control Shift delete. It will delete all the temporary files. You can skip some files that cannot be deleted due to some because they are being used by some of the programs. So you can skip those files, and rest of the files will be deleted. Next is you can go to the any of the drive and then optimize that drive by going into the tools. So generally this optimization happens by default, like there is a scheduled optimization. You can see there down there it is already on a weekly basis. These drives are optimized, so I don't need to run it. But if it is not scheduled, you need to optimize the drives manually like that. Next thing that you can do is you can change the or alter the power options of your system by going to the control panel and clicking on the power options. Over there you have to select high performance so that you'll get the better performance.